that pain in that, it's a reoccurring pain in the chest. When you start coughing, at times you cough out in your mucus, you will see, you will see blood in your mucus. When you are coughing, it goes deep within you. It's reoccurring. That infirmity leaves you now.
I saw this man has been coughing for 22 years. He said he coughed every 5 seconds for 22 years.
He does what?
Coughs. Yes, sir.
Sometimes with pains in my chest and
pain in the chest.
Yes. Sometimes once is Harmattan period and rainy season, I'm always scared. There's this pneumonia I suffered when I was in boarding school, and since then.
Are you the one that whenever you cough from your mucus, blood, at times you see blood?
Yes, sometimes blood, sometimes brownish. And my wife knows.
Where is your wife?
No, she's
Tina
Israel. Tina Israel. She's here. I saw her in the camera. While prayer was going on, she was in the camera. The camera got her.
Wait. What do you call her? Sweetheart Gabriel. Come. It's wonderful when Jesus does something in a home. The whole members of the family should celebrate it. Wow. How long have you guys been married?
5 years.
5 years now?
Yes, sir.
So you've known your husband to be coughing?
Yes, sir.
Just like that?
Yes, sir.
So how do you know it's gone?
I can't make 5-second statement without coughing. I can't talk for fast.
For 22 years, every 5 seconds.
Yes, people who know me well know they sometimes they mock me.
Come, my dear. Come. Oh, Jesus, you are so wonderful. Oh, glory. Come, my dear. Come. Oh, glory. Congratulations.
Sir, a similar case here. She has been coughing since she was born, and as a result, excruciating chest pain.
It keeps coming, and anytime I'm feeling this pain, it's as if there's something heavy they place on my chest. I can't even bend. I can't even stand. And if I'm coughing out mucus mixed with something dark, I don't know where they're coming from.
Come. Whatever it is, it goes back to sender.